Hello everyone! Today I'll be adding the brand new Edifier M60 speakers to my setup. The speakers I have are white, but they also come in a black and a classic oak as well. I'll be showing you what's in the box, tell you a little bit about the speakers, and do a sound test. The speakers come with a power cable, speaker in and out cable, 3.5mm to 3.5mm audio cable, 3.5mm to RCA audio cable, a USB-C to USB-C cable, and 2 speaker stands. These speakers are not very big. They're perfect for those who don't have a lot of desk space. These are measured only at 100mm by 168mm and go to 147mm in depth. It's a 66 watt speaker and operates at 24 bits, 96 kHz, making it a high-res certified speaker. Each of the speakers come with a 1-inch silk dome tweeter and a 3-inch long throw aluminum mid to low driver. With all of this combined, the speakers can produce a powerful, loud, and clear sound. In the back of these speakers, you can find the audio input ports, speaker in and out ports, and the place to plug in your power cable. The speakers have an overall simple and clean look to them, which I think a lot of you would appreciate. I like that these speakers have no visible buttons showing, no knobs protruding, or any fabric detail that I'm not a huge fan of. They look very premium and the outside of the speakers feel very nice, and they almost have like a soft, smooth finish to them. It's super easy to install these guys, and I think they look pretty good after setting them up. What do you think? So these speakers come with stands which are designed with a 15-degree angle. The 15-degree angle is supposed to direct the sound to ear level versus outputting the sound directly towards your desktop. I tested them with and without the stands, and I can say that with the stands, the sound sounds way clearer and less muffled. So these speakers are Bluetooth, auxiliary, and USB-C compatible. On the top of the right speaker, there is a touch control which you can activate by simply waving your hand over it. You can change volume and speaker sources through this touch control. I like how after a few seconds of not using it, the control disappears to keep that clean look. If you want to customize the sound of the speakers, you can download their app called Edifier Connects. In this app, you can customize EQ settings and more if you're into that. I changed mine after a few days to higher treble and higher bass. You definitely should play around with this to tailor the sound to you, because you might actually find that some genres sound better with certain settings. Overall, I think the sound from these speakers are amazing. I can hear the highs and lows very clear, and the sound is crazy powerful considering it comes from tiny desktop speakers. I did record a couple of sound tests with the best of my ability, as it's quite difficult to record the sound you hear in real life from speakers by a microphone. But these sound tests are going to be unedited to try to get a real room filled like sound.
Okay, let me say this one time, you make me feel alright, so nice. I know you wanna do more, say less. You can stay the night, you don't gotta go. We could take this slowly, no need to be lonely.
So my conclusion is that these speakers are insanely good. I personally think these speakers will be a crowd favorite very soon. If you're interested in these speakers, they go for $169.99, and I have a link in the description for more info as well. Edifier also kindly sent me the W800BT Pros with active noise cancelling as well. These are also high-res certified with up to 45 hours of playtime. Plus, they come in this very nice ivory color which matches my desk aesthetic. EQ settings are also adjustable for these just like the speakers are, making the sound super customizable again. Thanks for watching! Please subscribe if you aren't already, and please like and share this video if you enjoyed it.